So today we are going to start with new topic. The new topic that we are going to start is logistics management. It applies on many locations like at seaports, like at air transportation, and there are various trucks or other logistics equipment that we supply from one place to another. So all these things we'll study. So it's a kind of science or some planning or implementation that actually want to do the resource management. How do the resource management and what are the purpose to do a sustainable operation of system. Then what are the things that flow from origin to the consumption point. So all these things that flow from origin to the consumption, it has to be flown efficiently and it has to meet out the requirements of the customer. Then what are the type of resources that we are talking about for the logistic management? These are goods like non-perishable goods which do not destroy with time, like material, equipment or supplies. Then there are few perishable goods like food, which actually dissolves or destroys or waste with time. Then the consumer consumable item, which actually consumes with time. And then the example that we can know that military logistics were there, that military supplies required to be gone from one place to another. Then the logistics is kind of ability to sustain the operations of a system. What does it mean by sustainability? It means that with the time, with the change in requirement, and with the understanding which keep on developing with time of for the operation. So the ability to sustain all these operations. And then the logistics want to support the process of sustaining the operation and then making the system capable in context of end user so that we can meet out the requirements of end users. Then what are the things that are being affected with the logistics? Like the performance measures are being affected, like availability of resources, compatibility of resources, interoperability of resources, transportability of resources, reliability of resources, maintainability of the resources. Then what are the effort and cost were also going to be affected with the logistics, like life cycle cost, system operation, and what are the system maintenance cost. Then the environmental condition will also be going to affected with the logistics. How it has been affected, what are the things that are going to be affected in the environment of logistics, like power manpower is going to be affected, human factors are going to be affected, safety concerns are there, the natural resources, natural environment, all these are going to be affected. Then habitability, what are the uh, proper eco-friendly environment should be there with the all the logistics management. Then the logistics management, it is a management domain which actually plans or deals with controlling efficiency or effectiveness of a flow of resources or goods, services from one location to another location, which can also be said as point of origin and point of consumption. That the whole purpose of all the logistics management is to meet out the customer requirement. Then the special fields are working for this is like supply chain management and supply chain engineering. So these are domain in itself or subjects to be studied in itself. In that these subjects you'll study logistic management, and where we can see apply of this logistic management in computer science. So in computer networks, packet was traveling from different computer to different computer. Like packet was traveled from computer A to computer B. Now the packet is traveling from computer B to computer A. So there are various types of knowledge or information that are there for the packet traveling from one location to another location, that actually being done with the help of advanced computer network. So this is a computer network is a course in itself, and you'll study in future. So that the transport layer or data link layer or the physical layer, how they work for traveling and communication between the two computers. Then we'll see a video of this packet transfer very soon. Then there is another kind of logistic that are being at the very innovative level, that is space transport logistics, where you have a space and earth being orbited by the various satellites and the rockets which were planned to be reaching to moon. So they all have the space station, and the various type of logistics are needed to be provided at the particular space stations. So these type of logistics are also there. Then very recently there is a claim by Avon named company which said that they made a drone Raven X which is capable to launch the satellite, and it's the one of the largest drone that is possible in the world today. So you can go and see the video and learn more about this drone. Next, we'll see risk management. We'll see the videos, and I hope you will enjoy those videos. And very soon, we'll start with risk management.